Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to share Instagram story to your Facebook story automatically. For this, first of all, open your Instagram application. Then hit on the profile icon which is on the right bottom corner of your screen. Then select the three lines on the top right corner. From here, go to the account center and click on the sharing across profiles. And here you can see I have already added my Facebook. By simply clicking on add accounts, you can add the other account as well. Now what you need to do is, once you have added other Facebook or another Instagram application, go back to your home page and click on the plus button on the top corner and click on story. And if you are ready to post your story, then you will see Facebook sign on your story on the left button corner. This means it will also be posted on your Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.